Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing a review on this ring light that was sent over to me, you guys, by Tunic. They sent over their 12-inch selfie ring light. And I'm pretty sure when you guys think of a selfie ring light, you probably think of those little ring lights that goes over your phone. But no, you guys, this is a 12-inch ring light they sent over to me, which has a remote as well as a tripod stand for you to be able to put your ring light on. So this, I love the stand. I feel like it was real durable. I like how sturdy it was. So right now I'm just showing you guys what it looks like coming out of the package. It also came with a user instruction manual. This right here is a guide to show you guys how to put your ring light together step by step, you guys. But I'm going to show you that process also in this video. So right now, all he did was just put the ring light on top of the tripod and he's screwing it in to make sure it is secure. So now he's just showing you the part where your phone is going to be held by. He's just going to take this and just screw it right on top of the ring light into the screw. Super easy, you guys, and quick to assemble. It also comes with a UPS power cord, you guys, where you can plug it into your computer or a regular wall outlet. This right here is your control where you power it on and you adjust your lighting. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote. You just turn on your Bluetooth like regular and pair it to your phone. Said I'm not using my ring light. It's not on right now, but I do already have it set up in front of me, so I will just show you guys the process of me putting that together. So like I said, I do not have my ring light on as of right now, but I'm about to turn it on to show you guys the different lights you get. But I do want to also let you know that on the back of the box, it does let you know that it does come with 3 different temperatures. So you get cool white, you get warm white, and you also get warm yellow. You also get 20,000 hours of lifespan, you guys. You also get 160 quality of LED lights. I also wanted to say, if you do own a camera, I don't think it would be the best for a camera, but perfect for a phone. I said before, the ring light inch is 12 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on this ring light so that way you guys can see what it does. So this is me without the ring light on, so I'm gonna turn it on. Ring light on. And this is not the highest, so I'm gonna go all the way up and show you guys the difference. So, okay. Y'all, and it gets so bright. And this right here is the brightest of the brightest for this ring light, you guys, and I love it. I think it looks so good. But then I'm gonna show you guys my favorite, which is where I started when I first turned the ring light on. Yeah, I feel like it makes me look a little white casted when it's like really bright in my face. But this right here is super perfect. It lets you see the flaws in your makeup if you have any. If you look a little ghosty with the powder, you know, too much powder, should I say. But I love this ring light, you guys, and I think it's super affordable. So I'm definitely going to leave all of their information in my description box below, so you guys can be sure to check them out. And yeah, y'all, so let me know if you like this ring light. And yeah, thanks so much, Tunic, for sending me out this ring light, and I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Y'all, I had to come back because Babe was like, you forgot one part, and I was like, what is that? He was like, sharing is caring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video.